you like that just downloading again there is a channel or something, is it so?
Yes, yes.
So he has created the channel and that is day by day he uploaded, right? By mentioning the day. So whenever you can see, because within 20 days usually these
Which madam?
videos
Videos?
yeah, I
Yeah,
heard
yeah.
that word. He told me. So every day after finish the session, I don't know whether we I can upload because it will take some more time, right? So one thing can do, I will create and I just try whether I can do. If not, I will ask Ruben sir and I'll find a solution, right? So this paper discussion session also I will try to upload, guys, like by creating a channel or video session kill or something like that. Okay, I'll create a channel and under that day by day I will upload it, right? Okay, inshallah, I will try something. Okay, which should be useful for you all. So you might get it. Okay. So what about the yesterday question? Did you all understand? Not all. Yeah, Mahadi, did you understand?
Yes, yes.
Very easy question, guys. Such kind of the question only you will get in your past paper. So definitely they will ask you to find. That is very direct question, right? If you find that compound and if you know the reaction, definitely you can gain the mass. So what I'm telling is when you take your paper, right? Your exam paper, the structure 1 and structure 2, definitely you can score. That is not that much detail in organic chemistry, right? Inorganic chemistry is a very vast area. I know that one, but you can say, okay, whether the reaction is not I can remember or whatever. If you know such kind of thing, right? What is the observation? What kind of the gaseous release during this reaction? So if you know such kind of the very minute thing, right? So definitely you can do the question number 2. For my sake, the first two question is very easy in your examination paper. It won't take even though 30 minutes. That is also too much. So in our criteria, guys, you have the 3 hours paper. So 3 hours paper, the part A is 4 question, part B 2 question, part C is 2 question, right? You have to divide it that 4 question for 1 hour. Yeah. And part B 1 hour, part C 1 hour. Why I am telling is this 4 question is belongs to 400 marks. The first 2 question, if you know everything, even though because they are not asking the long answers, that is just direct one answer, short answer. Sometimes they are not asking the reason. If they are asking the any reason, they ask you all to write in the one word or two or something. What is the important stuff, right? Okay, according to that, in my case, what I will say used to your structure paper, even the first three question you can do within 1 hour, right? Only the organic you have to work hard little. If you by heart all reaction in a proper way, definitely you can do. But your paper, there are something not like this paper, usual past paper. Have you all done the organic question, organic chemistry question? Any question? Finished syllabus, right? In your classes and everything. Do you know anything about the organic chemistry?
Yes, madam. Alkane, alkene.
Then only alkane, alkane.
Aldehyde,
Mm. Yeah.
keton,
Say continue. Yeah. Then
alkyl
yes.
halide, acid halide.
Acid halides. Then so
Then
there.
wait.
Yeah. Come. Yeah. Think and say. Yeah, Namdi. Why silent?
Madam, at least. Done.
Only those things. So guys, that is very important when you speaks about the organic chemistry. The first thing, your paper is based on the reaction. Your first part also is a little bit, your second part is full of conversion and the mechanism. If you know the whole reaction and this thing, then only you can do the second part. But first part is right, you should know the isomerism. One thing, right? Okay, and second thing, you have to know the basic reaction of the organic chemistry. So alkane, alkene, alkyne, that is a very minute area. They never ask the question. But alcohols, aldehyde ketones, benzene, okay. So benzene is most probably nowadays, right? Earlier it was there, but nowadays they are using only the aldehyde ketones, alcohols, nitrogen containing compounds, carboxylic acid derivatives, and carboxylic acid. Such kind of those reaction dependent questions only they ask. You have to know, right? You have the notes and everything, guys. Extract that equations. In part 1, they never ask the mechanism. One sub question should be there, write the reaction mechanism, that's all. So if you know what is the products, definitely you can write the mechanism. Can you all write the mechanism in your own? Did you all understand those stuffs? The moving lone pair, cleavage of the bonding pair, and formation of cation, formation of the nucleophile, electrophile, substitution, addition, eliminations. Yes? What is nucleophile? Yes.
That means making the
Positive.
atom nuclear, unipositive. That one.
Positive is nucleus.
No,
Nucleophile.
that giving atoms, electrons.
Electrons. Yeah.
After that,
Electrons giving atoms.
that's
So high electronegativity, those who are, right, highest electron affinity, they are nucleophile. They are willing to attack with the less electronegativity or electropositive atom. So those we are telling what nucleophile. The nucleophile means it's minus charge, like your OH minus, right? Electrophile, the electron rich is nucleophile, the electron less, that is electropositive, is the electrophile, they are positive. If you know the cleavage and the mechanism, definitely you can write what? Nucleophile and electrophile. Guys, please study. Please study. If you study only, you can do it. So again and again I'm telling that really you can do. And okay, I'll come for the organic chemistry after finish all session, right? So I have to check one by one. We have time. I don't know how long it's going to prolong, whether usually it's June, but because of this online it will go not June. Last time also we had up to August, right? So this time also it will be okay. So what I'm telling is are you clear with gaseous question, unit 4?
Madam, gas is okay, madam. Leave that topic. That time
There
self-study we
is,
can do.
yeah,
No
there
problem.
is nothing that much, okay, and they never ask the direct question. Only your first term, second term, third term, you will get such kind of the question. Your final examination, always that gaseous part is correlated with your unit 12, right? Phase question. Always equilibrium. You understood? So you never get the gaseous question what you studied, like what in grade 12. What you have done during that examination, that is very easiest way. easiest way of the question. So gaseous, you can do the self-studies. What about the enthalpy question? Definitely you will get the past paper question. What about the enthalpy question?
Madam,
Yes.
we need, madam.
So
That
have you all received? Yeah, I will do that part. That means I'm not going to do the whole session. We will select a question, right? We will do, because last time also I have done the enthalpy unit 5, right? You were not there. So if you need, I will share the notes. I already shared. You can check the channel. All notes are there. Go, sorry, go through those notes. Go through it, right? And we will do the questions. The question only will be worked out. And definitely, guys, your structure 3 is belongs to physical chemistry. So you never get the only what unit 4, right? But you might get some enthalpy question. 2019 it was an enthalpy question. What about the 2020 paper? Have you all received the 2020 paper chemistry? Yes. Anyone received the 2020 paper?
no, madam.
Guys, if anyone received, please share with me, right? WhatsApp or mail, whatever, right? So I have to check what about the 2020 paper. So definitely it should be equilibrium question or rate question. You will get, sir, only this. The rate is very easy, unit 11. We will come for that, okay? Those things are important. I will focus one by one, and finally we will do the organic question. But before I start the organic question, guys, you should thorough with everywhere, because I will just say the reaction. If you use this reaction, right, then you will end up with this product. I will say like that. You should be realize what is happening. So that means you have to study. If you study only, I can do the organic question. Anyhow, because you know what, guys, you never get a question. It's not belongs to one part, one reaction. It will combine with aldehyde ketone 103 reaction, as well as the alcohol and the carboxyl. Everything will incorporate. So you should know. Okay, anyhow, we will do the papers of what? Organic chemistry last minute. Okay, so unit 5, next criteria after I finish this paper, right, discussion, we will do the physical chemistry first, which you can do and score marks. So definitely one structure you will get the physical chemistry. My target, at least out of 4, you have to do 3 structure fully. And other one, even though half, but you can remember, according to that you can do. So this is what I'm expecting, guys. If you could not do the paper, what is my advice is, the organic chemistry, don't waste your time on that structure. Just leave the space more to the essay. You know, whatever the essay, do your best. After finishes everything, come and try that question. If you can do whatever, even though quarter part or 2 by 3 part, that's enough. I'm not speaking about the half of the paper, question 4. I'm not speaking even the quarter, even the 2, 3. By if you can do the first 3 questions very perfectly, you can get the good marks out of 400. So this is what, guys, again and again I'm motivating you all. You have to understand your situation. You have to understand your situation. Though they postponed it, yeah, now it's still October, but definitely they will postpone, right? Again, third wave started, so definitely until the third wave finishes, I don't think they want. So almost, so it might be October, should be a November or whatever, or October in whatever. Who knows? Allah only knows what is going to be happening, right? So before that, you should be clear. What are you going to write in your paper? That you should be clear how I'm going to approach. So after finishing this session, guys, okay, what I want to do, I will do the physical chemistry. So unit 4 self studies you can do. I will do the unit 5 questions. Only the past paper questions, and I have some easiest question. I will start with the easiest question, then we will step into the past paper question. When I'm speaking about the past paper question, I will say this is the area, so please be with your notes. Then you can just, before that you should work and come. Don't copy the notes. Don't copy the answer. Don't do like this. I need your answers. If you could not do, come and say, Madam, I tried like this. I approached the question like this way, but I could not end up with the answer. What is the problem? If you ask, if you able to ask such kind of the question, that means you are working, you can go with a good results. Right? So guys, I just want to motivate you all. I don't know what happened, Ayman. Okay, Ayman can study. I don't know what he is doing. Abdullah, maybe full time is what? Gym. I don't know, right? Sharaf. Sharaf, yesterday he came and he just said, I told him, no, there is a video, just go to. And I don't know what about them, right? But guys, all of you, this is my request study. So inshallah, we will finish this paper as soon as possible. Even though within this week, I'm not going to rush because after that, we don't have any things to study. So we will do only the papers. So once we complete the structure area, structure and essay in physical chemistry, one by one, unit 5. Physical chemistry is unit 4, unit 5, unit 11, 12, 30, 5 unit. Unit 12 is very vast area. If last week, last year, you didn't receive the rate question, definitely this time you will receive the rate question. Guess, it's a kind of guess, right? Or half of the rate question, half of the equilibrium question. So this is how we used to guess the essay question during our campus time. So happily I can say, out of 75%, whatever I study and go, guess question should be there. All paper. So I'm telling not a chemistry. Chemistry they will ask everywhere. So what about the zoology stuff? These things. It's full of essay. Can't study all essay. So I will select only the particular because I'm not that much interested. I'm full of chemistry. To complete the degree, we have to do the second major as zoology or botany, right? I'm not interested on the botany, so I have done the zoology, right? So zoology, I have done such kind of things. So when they ask about, so thing is to get the good results, to get the first class of whatever, I need it. So I will target like that. So this is what, target the area. Happily, I can say I end up with such kind of the good results and good thing, but I worked hard, okay. Honestly, I can say because chemistry is a hard. If you go to the campus, you just do and see the chemistry stuff. My goodness. Here, A level, nothing is there. That's why again and again I'm telling us. So be study. Okay. So you will get such kind of the, we'll see inshallah if we get the 2020 paper, we can find the solution, right? So anyhow, so there should be a pattern. I have seen in your past papers, I checked and everything. So there should be definitely a pattern. So whatever it is, if you very clear on physical chemistry also, if you go for the unit 12 very vast area, they will ask very basic equilibrium question, right? They used to ask very basic equilibrium question. What is Ka? How to write the Ka? If you can write the equilibrium equation, able to write the Ka, you have to derive the equation, something like that. Not that much hard for you. So guys, you can do definitely you all can do, right? So we will target our studies according to the paper. Earlier you study everything and nothing in your mind. Now it's not like that. Once we finish the unit 5, right, So what I will do, at least I will try the last 3 years paper. How long you all will be with me, inshallah, definitely I will do that one. So first I will complete the physical chemistry, right? So the physical chemistry, it will cover your one structure, 3 essay. That means what? Your part B essay. If you done the physical chemistry, your part B, you can score out of 300. Okay, you need there should be 453 questions should be there. So one is belongs to what? Electronic chemistry. Another two is one is equilibrium part wise. Equilibrium, gaseous, rate question, enthalpy, all things mess up. So definitely you can do. So we will target like that. The next we'll go for the inorganic chemistry. What about your inorganic chemistry, guys? Yes. What is your status? Can you all do alone? Sleeping.
No, madam.
Inorganic, don't know. Blank.
Don't know means blank. Yeah, blank means you have to study. Inorganic and the organic
That's
chemistry.
S block, P block, that one, no, madam.
Yeah, yeah,
That
yeah.
one, anything I don't know.
You can't say like that, Sajjad. Because inorganic chemistry is important to do the structure too. Question number 2. That is very important area. So if you know the very minute steps, okay, I have there is a channel for the inorganic chemistry also, right? Notes are there, I think so. Data chicken. Gaseous. Inorganic chemistry is not there, no? So I will upload the inorganic I have done for the grade 12. I will upload the inorganic chemistry notes. You might have, okay, I have such kind of the tubes and some videos also there. Should be, maybe it could be very impressive. So last time I upload for the grade 12 video I uploaded. If I can, I will upload those videos, right? Go through those things. So definitely guys, if you want to know the structure, you have, sorry, essay, you have to really study. But if you know the out of figure of the inorganic chemistry, you can do this structure part. So Mahdi, have you seen, what about the yesterday question? Is it hard? Very simple question they asked. Is it hard, the yesterday's question? Your paper question. Is it
No,
hard?
madam.
This is how you will get your past paper question. This is what you will get in your past paper question. So that is not hard, guys. Practice on the structures. We'll do one by one, okay? And what I'm telling is, industrial, if you study the question number 10, definitely it's 9 or 10. 10, definitely you can do if you study the paper. The A part is belongs to what? Industrial chemistry, all process. B part is belongs to the environmental pollution. So B part, okay, sorry, part C, you have to do 2 out of 3. One is confirm as an industrial chemistry. And other 2, one should be organic, one should be inorganic. That is your choice, guys, which is easiest you study and do. We'll see. Okay, we will do the inorganic next, and I'm not going to do the industrial again. Industrial is a direct one. You can study and do. Is it so? Again, I think so. In your classes now, you all are doing the industrial chemistry. Or finish lesson. Your physical classes. Tuitions. Yes?
Not yet.
Where are you all? You all are doing industrial, right?
No, madam, still no.
And what unit? Which unit?
Still physical last unit and organic last part.
Okay, so you have time to study. Now only they are teaching, so you can study along with them. So we will do something like that, okay? So physical last unit, I think so, electrochemistry, right? That is very easy chapter. We can okay, we can target the marks. Okay, guys, the question paper is with you. You have the question right in your WhatsApp. I could not share if I share the video. The board will, if I share the presentation, the board will become small, right? You could not see what I'm writing. So I'm not sharing that question paper. So please be with your question, right? And we will do the question number 3 now. Hopefully, I am trusting, right, that this talk should be valuable to you all, guys. Please study and be on serious, right? Okay, so definitely, guys, if you do your best, you can go up to C. I'm not telling even the pass rate, but I said
Madam,
according to
we'll
my
study up to
criteria.
A, madam. Then only we'll get C.
Target and study. Don't study everything. Whatever notes you have, just by heart and keeping like your O level, not like that. Here, if you study notes also, you should able to apply that notes into particular question. They never ask the question directly. They will give the kind of the application question. Inside of that, they will ask the notes. If you know the notes only, you can apply. That's why I'm giving the page-wise page notes. But they are not going to ask like that. But you have to know those notes to write the answers. The kind of application we'll see. Okay. Inshallah, after finish this paper, we will start the questions of entire unit 5. So once we complete the structure and essay, we can do at least 3 years MCQs. Okay, we'll see. Okay. So question number 3, the magnesium carbonate decomposes as follows in the presence of heat. The magnesium carbonate, right, decomposes presence of heat, magnesium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So they have given, the question is with you guys, right? They have given the standard enthalpy formation, right? Calculate the decomposition enthalpy change of magnesium carbonate using the standard enthalpy formation enthalpy change stated in the following table. Guys, do you have any idea to find this answer? You have to find the standard enthalpy change of the heat, this particular reaction, right? Do you have any idea? Mahati atom, oh sorry, there's something atom, that is also wrong, I think so. Yes. Any idea?
Hess law.
Hess law, not Hess law. So this is very direct one. They have given the values of what? Magnesium carbonate, right? So magnesium carbonate solid is minus 1095.8 kilojoule mole minus 1. This is minus 601.7. This is minus 935. So this is what they have given is standard enthalpy formation. So if you know the standard enthalpy formation of the reactant and product, you can find the standard enthalpy of the particular reaction by what? Delta H theta is equals to the summation of standard enthalpy formation of products minus summation of standard enthalpy formation of reactants. Can you all remember such kind of the equation? Yes. We done. We studied. You know the product. What is that value? Minus 610.7. Guys, the unit I expected you should write and each and everywhere. Otherwise, they will deduct the marks. Plus minus 393.5 kilojoule mole minus 1. Okay. Minus the product. Only one is there. No need to add. Minus 109.8 kilojoule mole minus 1. Your answer is can you all remember? 2 or 3 times we done. So sometimes your MCQs directly they will ask such kind of question. This is easy question, grade 12 question I just put. Whether you all can do or not, I just check.
Madam, haven't I done this?
Sorry?
Haven't I done this, madam, in the paper?
Haven't?
Didn't I do in the paper? This one.
You are the person. One person had done in a wrong way. This is Mahan. You. No. You done what? Magnesium carbonate enthalpy, like this minus this. That's all. You want to see? Can you see? Can you see your?
Okay, madam. Okay.
I think I'm 1000. The interchange product minus reaction or something. Even though I have given the marks. Abdullah na very poor. Can't see. Very good. Mahdidan, Ayman made a mistake. Okay, right? So for this question, I have given the 20 marks. Just for the equation and substitution answer. Right. Next question. Entropy change delta S theta of this reaction, right? Enthalpy is what? But we found this reaction enthalpy is 100.6 kilojoule mole minus 1. So they have given the entropy value, delta S theta value is 174.8 joule mole minus 1 Kelvin minus 1. Explain briefly why that reaction has high entropy. Can you say what is mean by entropy of the reaction? Okay, what is mean by entropy? Yes. Any idea? Yeah, guys. So enthalpy means indirectly we are speaking about the heat flow. Entropy means the randomness of your atoms. If the randomness, what is called the randomness? The disorder of molecules. If the randomness is high, your delta S theta is positive. If it is less, that will reach for the negative value. So according to that, they have given the delta S theta is positive 174.8 joule mole minus 1. That means what? It has the high randomness. Why? What is the reason? Why this is positive? Look at your reaction. One reaction giving two product. The number of molecules is increasing. If one area, the number of molecules increase now, the randomness of, first you have to say entropy means what? Randomness of molecules. If the number of molecule increases now, the randomness of reaction also increases. Right. If the randomness of reaction increase means what? That will always the entropy of the product is higher than the entropy of the reactant. Why? The delta S theta also equals to summation of delta S theta of product minus summation of delta S theta of reactant. So, what is the answer? The randomness means what? The entropy means the randomness of molecule. According to this reaction, right, the magnesium carbonate giving the two ions. That means the number of molecules is increasing. Though the number of molecules increases, the randomness of reaction is increasing. It means what? The randomness or the entropy of the product is higher than the entropy of the reactant. Therefore, you are having the higher value of entropy that is also positive. This is what I'm expecting answer. Did you all understand? Did you all understand?
Yes.
Thank you. What about who said this?
Me.
Then Mahdi? Not clear now? You can ask me. Okay, guys. And there was a question, the next question. Okay, I'll raise it. We need these two.
Madam, when is the mock exam?
Last time we had August, right? July or August? August.
Then that is online, I think.
No. For them
Is it
all
physical?
physical. Yeah.
How, madam?
We reopened the school that time, August.
No.
You also
For us,
had the paper. For you all. Actually, they wanted to keep you all up to June. I don't know what is the management decision. They will keep up to August or whatever. But there is no interruption in your session and everything. I don't know what is going to be happen. If so, the mock will be online. Or after the wave close, or they will keep. Who knows? However, before exam, 1 month or 2 months, they will. You should have the study leave, right? Still,
Yeah.
still they don't know. Usually, your school criteria is A levels will pass out at leave your school on April, right? Usual thing, right? But last time, because of the quarantine, even though your time also you had the Saran problem. For that sake, it went later, and for now batch, the new batch also, gradual also, because of the corona, they also got late. So our academic year, right, the first 2 years finishing at June, according to their criteria. So they will go with you all also. It should be June. Don't know.
Yeah, even if school start physically, we won't be able to come, no?
But maybe after school starts physically, they will keep the mock exam with 1 or 2 weeks, just a revision or something like that, and we'll keep the mock exam. I think so.
No space, no matter. The new batch will be there, no?
Yeah, if it is before September, June, July, August. If it is August somewhat, they will keep you on. Until they take, say, usually September only they are taking, right? September also not enough. They should take on August. Last time September, December first one, March 2nd. Now they are having the third term, right? Third term means what is this? Up to August. Again is September to January. So this year yeah, they will take on June, July, August somewhat. So until that you can be there. July somewhat. If physical school started before that, definitely they will take you. Last year O-level exam also finished, right? So results will be out. So this year pass rate, normal A-level section pass rate is 64%. Because of this pandemic season situation, most of them are got fail. So don't lose your grip, guys. You all can do, right? Okay. So we'll see. I don't know. We never ask. When we had any meeting, I will ask the sir and let you know. Or you can ask Ruben sir. He might know more than me. Just ask him. We should know. Okay. So next question, guys. You have to find the minimum temperature in Kelvin which the reaction dissociated spontaneously using the data. So guys, I have given this reaction, right? This marks, 3 marks. The question is, if they said the spontaneously, they should give the delta G value, right? Do you know the delta G? Who is delta G? You know the name of the delta G? Yes?
Gibbs free energy.
Yeah, the Gibbs free energy is the person who is telling whether the reaction happens spontaneously or non-spontaneously. If the Gibbs free energy negative value, we are telling it's spontaneous. If it is positive, that is non-spontaneous, right? If the delta G theta is equals to 0, that is equilibrium, right? Here, they didn't give any value for delta G. Without that, they said that is what the spontaneous reaction. If it is spontaneous reaction, the negative value should be given. It's not. Therefore, the question is wrong. I have given the free marks. That question is for the reversible. You have to assume this reaction at equilibrium. So what is happening here? Or otherwise, they should give the value for what the delta G. So nothing
That's why I
will be
left blank, madam.
yeah, you all got 3 marks. Even
Yes,
though
madam.
30
I
I have.
also thought, what is this like that?
Thought. Even though can't do first 2 questions, they also. So okay, at least tell the equation. What is that equation? Common equation. Delta G theta is equals to delta H theta minus T delta S theta. As it is an equilibrium, delta G is 0. Delta H theta we found 100.6 kilojoule mole minus 1, right? Minus temperature you have to find, that is in Kelvin. And delta H theta, guys, you should write with the equation 4.8 joule mole minus K minus. So temperature is 575.5 Kelvin. This is very important equation. Whenever they speaks about the enthalpy question, you should know this equation and this equation, like the spontaneity talks for that sake, and you should know the Heslop-Born-Haber cycle. Only those area you should be clear, and definitely you can know what is the endothermic, what is the exothermic. what is the normal heat flow questions. You should know. If you know those things, definitely you can do. So this is also very easiest question regarding to that. And we will move on to the B part. That is there is another part I didn't give. At least I made this question to get the marks, my dear students. You all didn't. Okay, thank you. So guys, your B part, it can be represented. The aqueous solution, magnesium carbonate, and the sodium carbonate exist in the 20 degrees Celsius. They have given the Gibbs free energy delta G value, and they are asking to explain about using the Gibbs free energy change value. State your idea regarding the water solubility of the magnesium carbonate and the sodium carbonate. This is the data they given. Magnesium carbonate solid dissociated into solubility. They talk. Solubility means what? The solid becomes as a ionic one, right? And the sodium carbonate, equilibrium, right? So reversible reaction, we are not saying equilibrium. So that is a given answer. Carbonate. The value is given for this reaction, delta G value is positive. Here delta G value is negative. Right. You have to speak about what? You have to speak about the solubility of this reaction. Can you not say anything about it? Just until now I have said something, right? I spoke about the Gibbs free energy. I spoke about the randomness. I spoke about what the solubility and everything, sorry. Spontaneity and everything. So can you say anything about that? Regarding by looking this answer, any one word that you can say? Yes.
First one is spontaneous.
First is a spontaneous, and second one is spontaneous. Delta G should be negative, so second one is spontaneous. Why that is spontaneous? When you are speaking about the spontaneity of the reaction, you should be able to understand about this equation. Okay, we'll keep this is as a constant, right? Okay, it is given, and you can speak about the randomness. Temperature is constant, 20 degrees Celsius. They are speaking about the randomness, right? Can you all remember? I spoke about the randomness of that second question. Look at these two questions. Which has highest randomness? First one, magnesium carbonate or sodium carbonate? Yes. Which one has the highest randomness? Any idea? No idea.
The spontaneous one.
Spontaneous one having the higher randomness. Why? Why? If you are giving any answer, you should be able to explain that answer. Yes, say why. Whatever you think, you can see. I will correct your answer. Speak up.
No, madam. What is the question?
Which one has the highest randomness? If it is second one now, why is so? Need the reset. Yes. Okay, guys, right? Okay. So think about that. So according to this reaction, you can speak about the randomness. The sodium carbonate has the 3 ions. What? 2 Na plus and the 1 carbonate ion. So this one having what? 3 ions. Here magnesium carbonate having the 2 ions. That means what? The product. Yeah, okay. We already speak about the one reaction. If you take one is giving to 2 products means what? The entropy of the product is higher than the entropy of the reactant, so the positivity is high. This reaction is high. The both reaction is what? The one reactant is giving the 2 products. Here one reactant is giving the 3 products, 3 number of products. Okay, calculate the number of ions. Here 2 plus 1, here 1 plus 1. So according to that, both are positive. The randomness is positive, right? Even though here the positivity is high, the randomness is high. Why? The sodium carbonate is giving the 3 molecules compared to what? The magnesium carbonate is giving the 2 molecules. Therefore, this reaction having the high randomness. Why? The sodium carbonate giving 3 ions than your magnesium carbonate, which is giving 2 ions. So therefore, the positivity of entropy, sodium carbonate is higher than the magnesium carbonate. So if the randomness is increasing, means what? This value is increasing. This is minus, right? If this value is increasing, means what? The delta T value will lead to the negative, highest negative value. Did you all understand? That's it. If delta S is increasing, means what? The negative value, the whole set negative value is increasing. Therefore, the delta G also increasing. Did you all understand? So delta G is increasing what? In negative sign, not positive sign. Did you all understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Therefore, we can say where the delta G is negative, this reaction is spontaneous. That's all. This is what I am expecting. Okay. So let's move on the organic chemistry question. Okay. So we will just discuss the question. Okay, that is based on the benzene dose string. I think so. The benzene is coming with alkane, right? Unit 7, I think so. Not 8. IUPAC is important. One question from your essay, sorry, MCQ. Sometimes in your essay they might ask, what is the name of this molecule? So study IUPAC. Now time is 9:04. I will start the organic question, right, at 9:10. We can finish at least a part, I think so, inshallah, right?